What's up, my YouTube family? This your girl Gamesia. Today I'm back here with a new hair review. This is by the company ReadyWig. This is on their synthetic wig. I wanted to do something a little different, so I got an orange wig, you know? I'm into the little spice, you know, hair I've been seeing lately. I want to try it, you know? And what better way to try it, you know, for me spending some God knows amount on some, you know, some nice hair and doing it and not liking it versus, you know, getting a synthetic wig and trying it that way. Nice and affordable way to try that. Inside of the box, you have your 2 wig caps. You have your hair care instructions as well as how to, you know, follow them on social media and all that. You have a little empty spray bottle. Last but not least, we have this wig. This is a 13 by 6 lace front synthetic wig. Y'all know we always get them little 13 by 4s. They have a 13 by 6, sis. Like, that means your ass got some party space on that sucker. You hear me? And let's look at the construction of this wig. Ooh, okay. Okay, I see what y'all working with. You have your 13 by 6. That means your ear to ear is covered, sis. It's covered, okay? And there go your parting space right here in the middle. You have, which I don't normally see, but they have a comb right here in the middle, as well as on the sides. And of course you have the one in the back and your adjusting straps right here. So they gave you a little extra security because they gave you the extra comb right there. So that's pretty neat. I like that. This also has pre-plucked baby hairs. Look at, girl, look at this parting space. Look at that. That is nice. Oh my goodness. So I do like the construction of the wig. The hair is nice and soft. Yeah, I like that. Hair is nice and soft, so I don't see a problem with it actually staying into place, you know, during everyday use. But we'll put that to the test today. Okay, we're gonna put that to the test today. Let me tell you one thing I like about this already. How flat this bad boy lays. You see that? Especially right up in here. Right up in here. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Y'all, I am so in love with this color, like, batch. Look at the color, like, it's so pretty, like, it's so vibrant. And I love that. I love everything about this. And like I said, I can't even get too many human hair wigs to lay this flat. Like, you see this? That shit is slick. I mean, I'm talking about like slick down like some arrogant Tay shit. You know what I'm saying? So, yes. I'm loving this. This is so gorgeous. Yes. Now that I've you know, seeing how I look with this hair, because I've been seeing this color like all over the internet, and I'm just like, I want to try that color so bad. So now I really want to get me some blonde hair, give me some dye, and go to town, because one way or another I'm gonna get this color, okay? Because this is everything. ReadyWig, thank you so much for sending me this hair. I'm so in love with it. Like, I need y'all to send me a human hair wig like this, like for real, because the construction of this, for it to lay down like this, sis, I need that in everyday life. And I was so skeptical too. I just want to bring up, you know, you see a lot of females with the little baby hairs, you know, because I'm a person that likes dark, you know, darker roots, and then you bring out the hair color. But I actually like this. It's really not even that bad, you know, now that I actually tried it, because I thought I was, you know, I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to make baby hairs with the same color hair, but it really does not look bad. So I love that. Like, especially like this color, the, you know, I got the lace, you know, to my skin color or whatever, you know, even to match my makeup. So it looks so natural. Ooh, y'all better hit them up. Hit them up. Of course, I'm gonna have everything in my description box on how to order this hair. They do have a little sale going on, so I'll have all of that down there, the little codes and all that that you can use to get you know, money off your order. Again, like I said, this for this to be synthetic, girl. Oof, got me shook. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure y'all hit that bell button so you know when your girl posts a new video. Okay? I'll catch y'all in my next video.